Every morning you wake up tired. By afternoon, your focus crashes, and at night, your brain refuses to shut down. You think you need more sleep, more coffee, more motivation. But the real problem is much deeper. Your body clock is broken. And today, I'm going to show you how to reset it starting tomorrow morning. Deep inside your brain lives a tiny control center, your circadian rhythm. It decides when you feel awake, when you feel hungry, when you feel focused, and when your body is supposed to rest. But modern life is attacking it from every angle. Late nights, blue light, irregular meals, constant screens. Your body thinks it's jet-lagged every single day. That's why your energy feels so unpredictable. That's why your focus disappears. That's why you crash even when you think you've slept enough. So how do we fix it? We synchronize with light. Light isn't just brightness, it's information. When morning sunlight hits your eyes, it sends a powerful signal to your brain. Wake up. It's time to perform. Just 10 minutes of early daylight is enough to shut down your sleep hormones, activate focus chemicals, and program better sleep for that night. Midday sunlight does something even more powerful. It recharges your brain, fighting off that afternoon slump way better than caffeine ever could. But what about at night? This is where we get it wrong. Artificial light confuses your brain, keeping your system stuck in day mode. Remember this simple rule: dim lights equal deeper sleep, while bright screens equal a broken rhythm. Next, let's talk about fueling your rhythm. Here's a secret most people never hear. When you eat matters just as much, if not more, than what you eat. Eating within an hour of waking up tells your metabolism the day has started. Time to burn fuel. Eating carbs earlier in the day provides clean, accessible energy. Having protein earlier helps you maintain sharper focus throughout the morning. And late-night eating, it's like a loan shark for your energy. It pushes your body clock forward, stealing energy from tomorrow before it even starts. Even something as simple as hydration plays a key role. Being just slightly dehydrated can silently slow down your brain and disrupt your internal timing. Your body was also designed to move with the sun. Gentle movement in the morning, like a quick walk or some stretching, wakes up your nervous system naturally. Short movement breaks during the day prevent that feeling of energy stagnation and can even boost your creativity. But evenings are different. This is not the time for high-intensity activity, which tells your brain to stay alert just when you should be winding down. Instead, focus on slow movement. Light, stretching, calme routine. These activities send a signal to your nervous system. It is safe to rest now. Now for the powerful part. You don't need weeks to feel a difference. You can start this 24-hour circadian reset tonight. It's a simple checklist. Get morning light, eat your meals earlier. Move smart throughout the day and dim the lights in the evening. Within just 24 hours of following these steps, you'll feel your energy begin to shift. Sure, technology can help track things, but consistency is the real upgrade. These small timing changes create massive biological results. Your energy isn't broken. Your focus isn't gone. Your body clock is just out of sync. Reset it, and everything changes. This Jivita like. Subscribe for more science-based upgrades and comment your thoughts below. Your body is listening. Now, it's your move.